Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today I am doing another, probably my 1000th wig review and wig install on my favorite type of wig, the synthetic wig. This wig is by Outree. Outree has been like killing the game with the synthetic wigs. I don't know when, I just know one day they were just coming out with back-to-back flawless synthetic wigs. So I'm a huge fan of Outree. That is, I would say, about 60 to 70% of the wigs, synthetic wigs that I wear nowadays is Outree, because their wigs are just so flawless and colorful and easy to install. So today's wig that I'm reviewing is this one, and it is the melted hairline Lila in a hot pink pre-style bangs. So I'm gonna go ahead and open her. I don't want this video to be too long. I don't want to talk too much. Okay. Ooh, hold on. All right, let's take off that net. This is how Layla is looking. Ooh, look at the streaks. It has a strap in the middle, which you can adjust so you can wear it as glueless. You guys know when a wig usually has a strap, you can wear it as glueless because you can fit it tight on your head, and when the wind blows, it won't come up, it won't fall off, any of that. It has two clips in the front, I believe, yeah. Two clips in the front right here in this area. If you guys can see that. So it's probably gonna go like right there on the hairline. It has a clip in a large clip in the back. See that? It's a large clip in the back, and it also comes with the wig straps that every wig comes with. Every synthetic wig, that is, comes with. So you can strap it up in the back too for extra fitting. This is how the lace looks. The lace is really, really thin. I'm actually gonna put it on my hand. You can see the lace is really thin. It has bangs because it's pre-style bangs, but it's also a lace wig. So I'm gonna still install it as a lace wig, even if it has bangs. You probably think like, oh, I could just cut off the lace and wear it. You can, if that's what you want to do. But for me, if I know it's a lace wig, even if it has bangs, I have to install it. Like, I have to spray it. I have to add some type of adhesive to it and, you know, lay my edges down, because when the wind blows, or like if you're at an event, or just like when you're flipping your hair, I just like it to look as natural around the hairline as possible, no matter what I'm doing. You know, and then you have some people that just don't really care about that. They just cut the lace and wear it because it has bangs. You can do that too. It's glueless. Nothing is going to really fly up, but for me personally, I like to actually install it with the lace if it's a lace. They have this wig in a bunch of different colors. They have it in a cherry, a creamy toffee, a burgundy, a dark violet. Ooh, dark violet sounds pretty. A jade blue, a warm apricot. Oh, that sounds so pretty. Cream soda, and a chocolate swirl. So they have a lot of different colors available. So if you're not into like pink, or you don't like this color, there's a lot of colors for you to choose from, ladies, so do not worry. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on my head and see how it fits, see how it looks, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install her. I also want to say that this video is sponsored by ebonyline.com. If you don't know what ebonyline.com is, it is an online website that sells synthetic wigs, a few human wigs, a lot of wig products. It's literally like a beauty supply store, but just online. It's one of my favorites. I've been working with them for years. I've been a customer for years. Love their customer service. They always have like the latest wigs, like literally you can just reload, and when you go to new styles, it has all the latest wigs. And that's, I would say, a majority of the time where I get my wigs from. When I am a customer or when I am working with them, that is where I get my wigs from. Oh, this wig is so tight. Like, oh my gosh, yo, it is mad tight. Okay. Oh, it is. This is definitely glueless. This is not going anywhere. It is super tight. Oh, the color matches my shirt perfectly, which is so crazy because I didn't think it would match my shirt. I just put the shirt on. So this is how it's looking on me. Let me go ahead and just brush her out. So it's no tangling at all. Like, I'm brushing it. No tangling at all. Like, you don't see any hairs. Look, no hairs come out the brush, and it's so soft. Like, it feels like human hair. Like, it is so soft. Like, what? This is crazy. All right, so let me just comb her out. my goodness. I'm gonna pull it up a little bit because for me personally, I don't like my bangs over here. First of all, I'm not really a fan of bangs. If you know me, you know. I like to show my forehead, whether it's big or not. I'm not really a big fan of bangs. But when I do wear bangs and I do have a lace wig with bangs, I just pull it up just like that. You can just adjust it like that. You don't have to wear it down. So I'm pulling it up and I'm just gonna comb down the bangs just to see how thick it is. I'm actually just gonna use my rat tail comb and see. I'm gonna pull it up a little bit more because it's still in my face. Not to the point where the wig feels like it's coming off, but yeah, I'll have to probably pull it down a little bit. Okay, well, I'm probably just gonna have to cut it because I don't like it in my face like that, and it's literally in my face. See, I don't like that it's in my face, so I'm gonna have to like at least cut it to like right here. The edges look really natural, look at that. So it'll be great for installing. The first things first, before I install, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to just put all of this up, all of the bangs, all of the hair. We are going to comb that back because we need to see this lace so we can see what we're working with and we can install it to perfection. So I'm going to put that up. I'm going to use one of my little clips that I have in my little clip bag. Okay. And I'm just going to clip it like that. Put this back. Then I'm going to clip the other side. I'll probably have to use a smaller clip for the bangs because as you can see, the bangs are really small. So I will use a small little clip for that. And I have the perfect clip actually. I have my little Barbie clips that I got. So I'm just gonna take my Barbie clip and just make sure I clip that bang so that bang is not falling down when I am trying to install this lace. finished look. Oh my, I was struggling with the lace. I don't know. I try to do something different. So, okay, I tried to actually use this as a melt because you guys know, like, sometimes you can use a spray and it melts into the skin, so it looks more natural. It doesn't look so white. So I tried to melt it, and then I guess when it dried up, it got hard, so it just looked crazy. Then I tried to add makeup. Listen, I'm not trying nothing new anymore. I'm just gonna go to the way that I usually do it, but this is how the hair came out. Let me put it in front of my face. This is how it came out. It's so pretty, it's so soft. I love it. What do you guys think? I want to know below. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because I have more wig videos coming. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.